ways. First time, the poem is called The Eraser. The eraser is a metaphor for a bullet because it erases everything it touches. So the first time I'm going to do it, take it to on the speed of the bullet. You're going to be riding the bullet. The second time I'm going to bring it back down and slow it down so you guys can catch what I said, as if your life will flash before your eyes. Bang! An explosion, sensitive emotion slides out of metal shaft, smooth as lotion, opposite of a love potion, is targeted a dark red ocean within some other city devotion. Hits the air now it's in the open, floating wizard past where he heads on a mission to leave one dead. It heads for the temple without breaking tempo as it twists swiftly while entering into the mental end zone. Touchdown without 6 points being scored and our soul body being floored. Screams of hysteria being roared as thick red blood is poured on the floorboards. They say the mind of a child is like a play slate or you like tape where they record things great, but fake will take the slate and have it killed before it's killed. Now it's too late. A super race, respect all things, read on it up to this day just for the shoot. You got a chance to run planets, but it's up. Dang, I shot the wrong one. What I said was, bang, an explosion, sensitive the emotion that slides down a metal shaft, smooth as lotion. The opposite of a love potion is target, a dark red ocean, but then some other center of devotion. Hits the air and now it's in the open, floating wizard past weary heads on a mission to leave one dead. It heads for the tempo without breaking tempo as it twists swiftly while entering into the mental end zone. Touchdown without 6 points being scored. A now soulless body is being floored. Screams of hysteria are being roared as thick red blood is poured on the floorboards. They say the mind of a child is like a blank slate or even a blank tape ready to record and do things great, but fake would take the slate and have it killed before it's filled. Now it's too late. A silver eraser erased his fate and all the things that would have been written on it up to this day. And just before the shooter got a chance to run, put down his gun, he never dang. I shot the wrong one. The eraser.